What's up, everyone? I wanted to talk a little bit about two-handed club mills and a couple little technique tips on how to improve your club mills. Been doing a lot of heavy club mills lately. It's a great movement. It's great for your upper back, for your arms. It's a lot closer to like a, I don't know, bodybuilding kind of thing, I would think. You get a lot more movement in your arms, and it really torques your lats. And that's one of the things, that's the thing I wanted to talk about, was as you're going into the front part of the mill and you're swinging the club in front of you, I see a lot of people like cast it out like that, which you want your arms to straighten as you go down, but you want to try to keep your elbows tucked in. That's the most important part. Like you have your order position, which is kind of higher with the club just since it's so short. And then as you cast, just try to keep your elbows tucked to your body. And then as you pull the club back up into order before the next cast, you keep those elbows tucked and you'll really feel your lats engage. And it'll really help you control that club as it comes up. And then, of course, you go into your cast and then the pull over. And I like to do a short, not really even a stop, but almost a stop in order before I cast it forward again. Do a couple reps. Go the other way. So give that a try. If you like it, let us know, and we'll see you on the next video.